Hey folks, this is Rahul. A very warm welcome on Propelled. If you are actually considering doing engineering in India and thinking of taking education loan for engineering, this video is made for you, where we're going to explore the world of engineering and education loan. Stick till the end. So if you're thinking of pursuing engineering studies, education loans offer vital financial support. Tell it for academic expenses like tuition and accommodation. These loans actually ease the financial burden associated with any kind of higher education. Aspiring engineers can benefit from understanding the eligibility criteria and repayment terms of that education loan, allowing them to focus on their studies without immediate financial constraints. Education loans for engineering provide a pathway for the students to pursue their academic goals with financial flexibility. Are you actually eligible for education loan if you want to pursue engineering or not? Then what are the eligibility parameters? First is you need to check the institution course, secure admission to a recognized institution for an eligible course, typically engineering from accredited institutions. Age. So applicants' age should generally be between 16 to 35 years, adhering to bank's age limit. Maintain a good, healthy academic record. Some banks may specifically specify the minimum percentage criteria for qualifying examination. Talking about the co-borrower or guarantor, provide a co-borrower or guarantor, often a parent or a guardian with stable income and good credit history, sharing equal responsibility for the loan repayment. Now, what about security and collateral? For higher education loan amounts, banks may request collateral in the form of property, fixed deposit, or any other assets that is equivalent to the loan. Talking about the income proof, some banks may ask you about the income proof of the applicant or even the co-applicant in case applicant isn't earning anything right now. Nationality must be Indian, and if you want to be eligible for a loan, you must be Indian. Some banks may extend the loans to non-resident Indians as well. Now let's talk about what are the required set of documents for loan if you wish to pursue engineering. The first one would be the application form. Generally, banks provide you this particular application form. You have to complete it thoroughly. You need to paste your photograph wherever it is required. You need to put your signatures also over there. Along with this application form, you will be required to submit the admission letter. That will be from the education institution from where you want to take the admission in. Mark sheets, submit qualifying exam copies. Also, you need to provide your KYCs in the form of proof of age, identity proof, address proof. That can be Aadhaar card, passport, or other valid IDs. Income proof of the co-applicant or co-borrower would be required. That must be given in the form of payslips, Form 16, ITRs. You need to provide collateral documents as well for offering the security. Photographs, as I already told you, would be required. Not only yours, applicant, co-applicant, guarantor, everyone. Loan account statements of the co-applicants may be required by the bank. Last but not least, some other documents, depending upon bank policies, additional documents may be called by the bank. Now let's talk about step-by-step guide for applying an engineering education loan in our country. First of all, you need to research and choose the lender. So explore various banks, financial institutions, and government schemes that offer education loans for engineering studies. Need to understand the eligibility criteria after that. Then I talked about the documentation. You need to gather all necessary documents, be it admission letter, mark sheets, proof of identity, proof of residence, income proof, tax returns, bank statements, everything. Now you have to fill the loan application form that you actually received. After that, you need to provide the information for the collateral and co-borrower. So co-borrower usually will be a parent or guardian, and he is supposed to give you the income proofs of him or herself. After this, loan goes into the approval process. The lender is going to review your application and documents. If everything is fit and fine and in order, they'll approve your loan. Once the loan gets approved, it is going to be disbursed. So what is disbursement? The loan amount that was approved will go to the institution, education institution, or it will be given to you. That is the process of disbursement. Once disbursement is done, then comes the repayment. You need to understand the repayment terms and start repaying the amount that you have taken in. One top question that may come in your mind is, what are the premium banks that are actually offering the education loans for engineering in India? Some of the premium banks that are offering education loan for engineers in India are SBI, HDFC, ICICI, Axis, Punjab National Bank. Talking about the repayment tenure of these particular banks, they're going to provide you moratorium period. What is this moratorium period? The course period during which you're going to actually study for engineering, that will not have any EMIs. Also, 6 months to 1 year followed by your course will be included in this moratorium period. Followed by that, structured EMI payments have to be made by you. Interest rates are competitive and all banks run different scheme under education loans. However, there are some restrictions with above banks like stringent eligibility criteria, limited loan options, cumbersome documentation processes, limited customer support, that's the biggest one, and excessive collateral requirements over there. So you must look into education loans being provided by companies like Propelled that can really help over here. So some top institutes for which you can actually take education loan for engineering include IIT Bombay in Mumbai, Maharashtra, IIT Delhi in Delhi, IIT Kanpur in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, IIT Madras in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, IIT Kharagpur in Kharagpur, West Bengal, IIT Roorkee in Roorkee, Uttarakhand, Birla Institute of Technology and Science, BITS Pilani, Rajasthan, Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Guwahati, Guwahati, Assam, National Institute of Technology, NIT Surathkal, Mangalore, Karnataka, Indian Institute of Technology, IIT BHU Varanasi, College of Engineering Pune, Maharashtra, Anna University, College of Engineering Guindy, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, National Institute of Technology Trichy, Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu, Delhi Technological University, DTU, New Delhi, Vellore Institute of Technology, VIT, Vellore, Tamil Nadu. So these were the name of the colleges that are actually worthwhile for engineering studies in India. You must take loans for them. This was all about loans for engineering in India. We'll come up with a fresh topic once again on Propelled. Stay tuned.